Leonardo, being a part of Nevicia, is the rice gunner of the Philippines, and we are very known for the ostrich industry. Well, next, please, is candidate number 3. Our finalist number 4. And the name of the judge,
Dr. Romeo Candes.
hello.
Good morning, candidate number 3. How are you?
Nervous po.
I have a very simple question for you. At what point do you think a girl becomes a woman?
Well, para po sa akin, maging isang ina, maging isang mabuting ina, at maging model sa kanyang magiging mga anak para mapalaki sila ng maayos.
Thank you very much, candidate number 3. Last but not the least is finalist number 5. We have candidate number 8 from Barangay San Anton. Her name is Sierra Gross. Anyway, you don't have any option. And the name of the judge is
Rosalinda Santiago.
Hi, how are you tonight?
I'm fine.
Okay, simple lang yung question ko for you. Kung meron kang babaguhin sa sarili mo, kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon baguhin ang isang man sa sarili mo or sa mga pangyayari sa buhay mo, ano ito at bakit?
May I have the question repeat again?
Okay, ganito na lang, palitan na lang. Same question, okay. Kung kung papipiliin ka na babaguhin sa sarili mo, for example, physically, anong gusto mong baguhin sa sarili mo or kung meron man o wala? Kung meron, explain mo at kung wala, kindly explain din also.
Sa akin po, for me, wala naman po. Because I just have myself. I try to be myself, so I don't have to change anything in me anymore. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
very well said, candidate number 8. Good luck and congratulations to you. Well, maybe the announcement of the major award. Actually, our first or second runner-up will be receiving 7,000 pesos cash from Mr. Odi Angeles, and the first runner-up will be receiving 10,000 pesos in cash from Attorney Pablo Cruz, and the Philippine San Leonardo 2008 will be receiving 15,000 pesos in cash from Pinong Angeles and Howard Cipriano, and I think they'll be awarding. And of course, maybe invite the organizers, the members.
And I'm seeing wonderful tonight. It's late in the evening. Been walking with us. This beautiful lady, she's walking around with me, and then I asked her, do you look alright? And I said yes, you look wonderful tonight. Nakakalito. We go to a party. Can I have your receipt? We go
opponent, that's the Philippine Sangardo 2005, Miss Kimberly Santiago. And I would like to thank the Young Wings Photography